Filtering is displaying records that meet certain criteria. By filtering, we improve the performance of our worksheet. Filter. For example, we have headers in our list. Each header consists of rows with data. Sometimes it is needed to see some data in cells with a certain criteria we choose. Let me give an example. We have different starting dates. With filtering, we can choose a certain date and see the other date according to this filtering criteria. As we talk, I want to filter a start date column. I select a start date range, select its header, and press on Ctrl-Shift and down keys from keyboard. The range is selected. Then from Home tab, Sort and Filter. Select Filter. A button is shown here. It is a drop-down menu. I click on it. A box pops up. First three items are about sorting, which we have talked widely in sorting tutorial. Filter by color. Here, the cells' colors are shown. We can select a color, then the cells with that colors are shown, and other cells are hidden. Again, I tap on this square button, then select Clear Filter. Any filters that are implemented in this column are removed. In this box, all contents of this column are sorted. This is a started date column, so its format is date. That's why years are shown here. I press on Select All, then all options are unselected. Just select 2020 and press on OK. So, just 2020 is shown. I open the filter box again. By clicking on plus icon near 2020, all 2020 months that exist in the cells are shown. By unchecking each mark, they won't be shown anymore. Also, by clicking on this plus, the days of each month are shown. We can select to see or unselect to hide each data we want. I uncheck 11th of May and OK. In our list, 11th of May is hidden, but 30th is shown. Dive into filtering. Let's dive into filters and discover its responsible. Open the filter box of started date column. Then hover mouse over date filters. A bunch of commands are shown. I select equals command. Custom autofilter is shown. This window asks us, a started date is equal to what? We can type or choose a data from this calendar. From drop-down menu, I select 11 May of 2020, which is in the cells of started date. Then it asks me another question to give a precise filter result. We can fill this part or leave it. It all relates what we exactly want to see by filtering. Or is after May 11, 2020. Then press on OK. Now the results of May 11, 2020 and after May 11, 2020 are shown. By going again to data filters, we can see many other commands. Here, we can use any filtering commands according to our needs. For example, before, after, days, weeks, months, years, date. However, it is also possible to filter by typing a criteria which we want to filter in search box. I remove filter and want to filter all columns. So, select any cell. From Home tab, Sort and Filter section, select Filter. Because we had filter on a started date before, that's why it deleted the previous filter icon. Again, select Filter. Excel is wise, and it detected the headers automatically. The headers contain the filter button. I select Surname Filter. Here I type MA. All data which contain MA is shown. Now let's go forward, and from Text Filters, select Does Not Contain. Custom Autofilter box is shown. I type MA. Press on OK. Now, all data includes MA are excluded and the rest are shown. Now, let's see Advanced Numeric Filter. Advanced Numeric Filter. I select Salary column. For this type of filter, Number Filters is appeared. I click on it and select Custom Filter. I want to see salaries greater than or equal to 6,000, but less than or equal to 8,000. So the salary is between 6,000 and 8,000. Let's implement it in Excel Custom Filter section. Greater than or equal to 6,000. In Excel, but is and. Then is less than or equal to 8,000. Click on OK. The data is filtered. We can filter more than one column. For example, show me the salaries between 6,000 and 8,000 and just August months. This is the result. There are so many options in filter to help us filter the data according to our needs. Later, we will have advanced filtering, which makes filtering world much more easier.